In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Authenticator from Gmail. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is open my browser and go to my Google account by heading to myaccount.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll see your Google account dashboard with different sections like personal info, data and privacy, and security. From here, I'm going to focus on security settings. Over on the left-hand menu, there's an option called Security and Sign In. I'm going to click on that and it takes us to the page where we can manage passwords, devices, and other security features connected to the account. Now that we're in the security section, we're going to find the option for two-step verification. This is where Google manages extra security steps like Google Authenticator. I'm going to scroll down until I see two-step verification and then I'll click on it. Google might ask you to log in again or confirm your password, so I'll go ahead and do that to access the settings. Once we're in the two-step verification settings, you'll see the methods that are currently being used, including Google Authenticator. Since we want to remove it, we'll look for the option that says turn off two-step verification. I'm going to click on turn off and Google will show a confirmation prompt to make sure we really want to disable this feature. At this point, I'll click turn off to confirm. Once that's done, two-step verification is disabled and Google Authenticator is no longer linked to this account. This means your account will now rely on your password alone, so it's a good idea to make sure your password is strong and secure. And that's really all there is to it. We started by going to myaccount.google.com, clicked on security and sign in, then navigated to two-step verification. From there we clicked turn off two-step verification and confirmed the action. Google Authenticator is now removed and your account no longer requires that extra step for signing in.